Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello, I cannot believe we are already to number 27. Welcome to the Flat Earth Trading Society. In case you forgot or you're new, what are we doing here? We're saying the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is how much the enter matters. We say the entry doesn't matter nearly as much as the exit, even though all the books, all the websites, they all talk about entries. Very few talk about exits. So we're going to choose random stocks with random methods and just do position management to see if we can make a profit. What are we going on to? Trade number 27? Well, it's been a very long time since we did a currency trade, so we are going to do a currency trade for trade 27. Instead of getting out my webcam and getting all my currencies, I'm a little pressed for time, so we are going to use our trusty wheel. All right, I've got, I think, 11 currencies over here. I only wanted to choose the largest trading currencies. We're going to spin this twice. The first one will be our first currency. The second one will be our second currency. Let's spin. All right. So we know we are going to be trading yen. What are we going to be trading yen against? US dollar. Wow, of all of these choices, we could get some exciting choices, but no, we got dollar yen. So that is a currency cross, dollar yen. Let's go see it on the chart. Take a look at dollar yen. Let's make sure we've got our correct indicators in. As you can see here, dollar yen has been in a very strong uptrend. And if we take a look at a 13-day EMA, we can see that it is sloping higher. So this is going to be our trade. Now look, dollar yen's at 150. Every time we've got up to 150, the Bank of Japan has come out and said they're going to intervene, or they do intervene. This candle back here, that's exactly what happened, was the Bank of Japan came in overnight and said they were intervening. Here we are back to these levels. Again, this is another trade that I think there's a lot of reasons not to make it. I think you could look at what the Bank of Japan is doing and say, okay, we don't want to do it. Here's the problem. That's not what we're doing at Flat Earth Trading Society. We're making trades randomly. We don't care about news. We don't care about anything. So this is the trade that we are looking to make. It is in dollar yen. Dollar yen is currently at 150.03. Let's take a look at where our ATR is. ATR is down here at 72. As we've been basing, it's been dropping. So 72 is the ATR, 72 pips. Let's run all this through our ticket sheet. Trade 27 is on October 25th. It is a currency trade. It is long dollar yen. Entry price of 150.03. ATR is 73 cents, so double that is 146. That means our stop is going to be at 148.57. Now we have to go figure out what our position sizing is on a position sizing calculator. All right, here we are in a position sizing calculator. We need to go check our account balance. So let's go check our account balance real quick. Account balance is $97,863. $97,863. Risk percentage is 1%. Our stop loss, it's going to be 146 pips. 146 pips. We're trading on the yen crosses. It's totally different on yen crosses. I definitely don't have time to explain it, but we're going to go into it. And it's asking us for the current US dollar Japanese yen price. Up top, you can see it's 150.04. We'll put that in. And we will hit calculate. All right, our position size is 100,570. We're going to round that up to 1. 100,571. Let's go make the trade. Let's put in dollar yen cross. This is going to be a buy. We're going to use a limit so we can attach that stop order. Our quantity Our quantity was 100,571. Got our quantity in there. Our limit price, I'm going to put it slightly above the ask so we make sure we get filled. Going to go to attach our stop loss. Stop loss. It's going to be a trail. It's going to be 146. Now again, this is where it gets a little tricky because at IB, you've got to put in not the pip amount, but the percentage sign. So it's going to be 1.46. 1.46 is the correct trail. I'm going to hit submit. And the trade was entered, and you can see here our trade was spot on, 150.05. 150.05 is the number. Let's go ahead and finish this trade up. Here is trade 27. Long dollar yen, 100,571. We've got our initial stop in at 2x ATR. We don't do anything until it either gets stopped out or we get to our first target of 150, 151. At that point, we move it to 1.5x. At 152.97, we're going to move it to 1x. So literally all we're going to do. And what do we do next? You guys know the drill. We don't do anything. We let it work out. Any choice you make other than this is a mistake, most likely brought on by your emotions. Just stick with the system and go with it. Thanks, everybody.